video games affecting the child? Now, this is one of the studies that was done in Japan University, and the findings were really interesting. The first important thing that we need to understand is video games create an exclusion. The child is no more connected to the reality, connected to the surrounding. As a result, the communication skills fail. There is no social interaction and the social skills are not apt. Child is not even able to express their thoughts, their emotions with their parents, and that's one of the major drawbacks that we understand for the video game for a child. Not only this, there are numerous violence and depressive tendencies which are seen in the child because the child gets into a habit of getting instant gratification. Now, as soon as the child gets into a habit of getting instant gratification in the video games, that does not come in the real life. As a result, child develops either violent tendencies or depressive tendencies, and they have a false sense that they have the feeling to succeed. But when they go into the real life, they step out into the real life, they are not able to take the failures of the life. So there are some of the psychological understandings that we must see how these games affect the child's mentality. So even if you are providing a video game to a child, make sure the hours are limited, make sure the duration is well defined, and the kind of games which are played on video game have a message which actually helps child develop their moral and social bondings. Wish you very good luck. We'll be coming up with more interesting sessions.